12 Surprising Benefits of Sweet Potatoes for Seniors. As we age, making smart nutritional choices becomes increasingly important for maintaining our health and vitality. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most underrated superfoods that could be a game-changer for seniors: the humble sweet potato. You might think you know everything about this orange root vegetable, but prepare to be amazed by these 12 surprising benefits that make sweet potatoes a must-have in every senior's diet. If you're enjoying this kind of practical, science-backed health advice, go ahead and tap the subscribe button down in the bottom right corner of the video. That way, you'll never miss out on new tips and insights that can help you stay healthy, active, and independent as you age. Benefit number 1. Exceptional blood sugar management. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't cause dramatic spikes in blood sugar levels. This is crucial for seniors managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes slows down sugar absorption, helping maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Studies show that seniors who regularly consume sweet potatoes experience more stable glucose levels compared to those eating other starchy vegetables. Benefit number 2. Powerhouse of vision protection. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in your body. Just one medium sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs. This is particularly important for seniors because vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption can help preserve your eyesight and reduce the risk of cataracts. Benefit number 3. Immune system fortress. As we age, our immune system naturally weakens, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Sweet potatoes contain high levels of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and antioxidants that work together to strengthen your immune defenses. The vitamin C content in one sweet potato provides about 25% of your daily requirement, helping your body fight off common colds and more serious infections. Benefit number 4. Heart health champion. Heart disease is a leading concern for seniors, and sweet potatoes offer remarkable cardiovascular benefits. They're rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by countering the effects of sodium. The fiber content also helps lower cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Regular consumption can significantly decrease the risk of heart attack and stroke. Benefit number 5. Brain function booster. Cognitive decline is a major worry for aging adults, but sweet potatoes contain compounds that support brain health. The anthocyanins found in purple sweet potatoes have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. The vitamin B6 content helps produce neurotransmitters that are essential for brain communication, potentially reducing the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Benefit number 6. Digestive health enhancer. Many seniors struggle with digestive issues, but sweet potatoes can provide relief. The high fiber content promotes healthy gut bacteria and regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. The natural enzymes in sweet potatoes also aid in digestion, making nutrients more easily absorbed by the body. This improved digestive health leads to better overall nutrient status. Benefit number 7. Bone density protector. Osteoporosis affects millions of seniors, particularly women. Sweet potatoes contain manganese, which is essential for bone formation and maintenance. They also provide magnesium and potassium, which work together to maintain bone density. The vitamin K content helps with calcium absorption, creating a comprehensive bone health support system. Benefit number 8. Inflammation fighter. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous age-related diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Sweet potatoes contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called choline and anthocyanins. These compounds help reduce inflammatory markers in the blood, potentially alleviating joint pain and reducing the risk of inflammatory diseases. Benefit number 9. Weight management support. Maintaining a healthy weight becomes more challenging with age due to slower metabolism. Sweet potatoes are naturally low in calories but high in fiber, creating a feeling of fullness that prevents overeating. The complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy without the crash associated with simple sugars, helping seniors maintain stable weight and energy levels. Benefit number 10. Skin health preservation. Aging skin requires special attention, and sweet potatoes deliver nutrients that promote healthy skin from the inside out. The high vitamin A content supports skin cell regeneration, while vitamin C aids in collagen production. The antioxidants protect against UV damage and environmental stressors that accelerate skin aging, helping maintain a more youthful appearance. Benefit number 11. Stress and mood regulation. Mental health is crucial for seniors, and sweet potatoes can help regulate mood and reduce stress. They contain complex carbohydrates that help stabilize serotonin levels, the neurotransmitter responsible for mood regulation. The B vitamins also support nervous system function, helping seniors cope better with stress and maintain emotional well-being. Benefit number 12. Cancer prevention properties. Research suggests that the antioxidants in sweet potatoes may help prevent certain types of cancer common in older adults. The beta-carotene and other carotenoids have been shown to reduce the risk of lung, breast, and colon cancers. The fiber content also supports colon health by promoting regular elimination of toxins. Making sweet potatoes work for you. Now that you understand these incredible benefits, you might wonder how to incorporate more sweet potatoes into your diet. They're incredibly versatile. You can bake, roast, steam, or even add them to soups and stews. Try starting with 2 to 3 servings per week and gradually increasing as your body adjusts to the higher fiber content. The beauty of sweet potatoes lies in their accessibility and affordability. They're available year-round, easy to prepare, and can be stored for weeks in a cool, dark place. Whether you're managing existing health conditions or working to prevent future problems, sweet potatoes offer a delicious and natural way to support your health as you age. Remember, small dietary changes can lead to significant health improvements, and adding sweet potatoes to your regular meal rotation is one of the easiest and most beneficial changes you can make for your long-term health and vitality. But sweet potatoes are just one piece of the puzzle. To truly live a healthy and vibrant life as you age, a balanced and nutritious diet is essential. It's not just about adding one superfood, it's about giving your body the full range of nutrients it needs to function at its best. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to get started, check out the first link in the video description. It leads to an excellent nutrition plan designed specifically to support healthy aging, boost energy, and improve overall well-being. And if you're ready to take the next step in supporting your health, don't miss our next video. 3 best foods to stop leg cramps for seniors. It's packed with practical tips you can start using right away. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next one.